Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can filter collision data based on time of collision. In order to do that one, I'm going to go ahead and click on that filter icon beside the accident time column. And let's say that I want to filter the collision that occurred between 7 a.m. and 9:30. I'm going to sort the column, and as you can see now, I'm only seeing accident that happened between 7 and 9:30. If I want to change or clear the filter, I can simply click clear filter. Or if I want to modify it and say that I want to see what happened after 6 p.m. And now I am able to filter data here. As you can see, all the filter information is shown here, and I can clear the filter here, or I can edit filter here. In order to do more advanced filters, I can right click on filters, and I can go for filter editor. And let's say that I will clear this filter that I created. Let's say that I want to filter the accident that happened between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. and in the afternoon between 3 to 5 p.m. So I'm going to add accident time and say that between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. And I want to add another criteria with more. So say that add, and then I'll say that it is between 3 p.m. which is 10:15, 5 p.m. which is 17. So now this will give me all the accidents that occurred between 7 a.m. and 9 p.m. plus the ones that happened between 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. So I can press OK. And now if I scroll up, you can see that it shows 7 till 9. And then after that, it's going to show me the accident happened between 3 p.m. and 5. Thank you very much.